Good evening. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Ring home kit. It's basically supposed to be the keypad, the sensor, and the motion sensor in there. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and see exactly what's in there. And I'll give you the price description and the link on where to get it in the comment section, or above the comment section, I should say. This is coming all the way from Santa Monica, California. I guess that's where one of Ring's warehouses is located at. Alright, so as I open the box here, it has a little air padding in there. We'll take that out later. Okay, let me turn this around. Move this box over here. See if you can see that well. Ring Alarm Wireless Home Security. So it's supposed to come with these items on here. The keypad, the motion sensor. Don't know what that is. That looks like some kind of alarm speaker or whatever that is. And the little sensors. Oh, here it is. It has it right here on the side. So base station, keypad. Oops. Refocus camera. Motion detector. Contact sensor. Range extender. I guess you would need this range extender if you have like sensors or the motion detector way at the back and it needs to communicate with your Wi-Fi system. You're going to need that range extender. Now for this box, I'll try and open this here. It looks like it just slides right out after you flip those little sticky tabs. Flip this around. Which way is the opening? It's kind of weird. So I'm guessing the opening is on this side here. Oops. Opens more like this. Box looks nice. Okay, so right at the top here we have the base station. Go ahead and put that off to the side here. Pick it up. That's what it looks like right there. Let me see if it has any sensitive information on the back here. Yeah, it kind of does. So just keep it covered right here. That's how the back looks. You have your what is that? Ethernet? That should be Ethernet right there. USB right here. Pairing button right there. Don't know what that's really for. Wi-Fi, electric symbol, reset. Let's set this up on the side here. What's in this here? Alright, these are some instructions. We'll read that later. Alright, in here has the keypad, the sensor, the Wi-Fi range extender, and the motion sensor here. Let me see if this is wired or battery. I think it's wired because inside there, I don't know if you can see in there, it has a little like micro USB port. I think it's wired. Oh, yep. There it is right there. So I'm guessing this one will be for the base station. And this one would probably be for the keypad. And I'm gonna have to go through all this step by step and figure out how to put it together. It should be simple, but I have a tendency to mess things up. So I'm going to take my time with it. All right. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Later.